Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all of the treasure chests in the new Dress to Impress treasure hunt. So we are going to go to the right actually first, and then you will find one next to this, I don't know, like sea urchin. I don't know why, I don't think it is, but you're going to select the E button on your keyboard, or you're going to press it and you're just going to dig and claim. The first item is a makeup. Then you're going to go to the second area. So you're just going to walk straight ahead. And you're going to go to the right first. And you'll see you'll need to dig here next to these blue flowers. Dig and claim. You got the hair. Next, on this island, you're just going to dig here. And you got the like stars. Then on this island, there's another place you can dig, which is right here, next to the orange flowers, and you got boots. Lastly, on this island over here, you're going to go here and you're going to dig over here. And that is it for this video. That's where you can find all of the 5 treasure chests. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.